Video, I'm going to show you how to easily add subtitles to a video. Now in this case I'm just using a Loom video, and you can see there's the video there. What you want to do is go on the left hand navigation here and go text, and then click heading. It's going to put it on the page, put it where you want it, and then you'll see here where it says dynamic text, just click captions. And then down the bottom here, go generate captions. Now that's going to generate the captions for you, as you can see, and you can then change what that looks like. So you're going to go to effects, you're going to go down, and here you can see background and background colors. I can go in now and I can change that if I want. I can also change the font to whatever I want, to something else. Make sure it's an easy to read font. Fancy fonts don't really work for subtitles because you're catering to everybody, right? So give it a good contrast, and from there all you're going to do is give it a title, and in this case this is how to create a Word document using AI and Canva. And then you're going to go share and you're going to go download. It'll automatically default to MP4. Now this size streaming is fine for social media, but you want to go full HD, full quality. You see it says for large screens, but this is the resolution you want for TikTok and for YouTube. So social media, you can make it just streaming, even though there is another social media setting. I find streaming to be sort of the best one. And that's it. That's all you do. And then save it online somewhere so you can grab an online link so it's easy to share. And that's it.